Understanding windstorm. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the phrase windstorm. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your daily English conversations. Wind is the movement of air in the Earth's atmosphere. It can be gentle or strong, and it can move in any direction. We experience wind almost every day, and it plays a crucial role in our weather patterns. Storm generally refers to any disturbance in the atmosphere that results in inclement weather. It might be accompanied by rain, snow, lightning, or other elements. When combined, the term windstorm specifically refers to a storm where the most dominant and noticeable feature is the strong and sometimes destructive wind. Dust storms. Here, the wind lifts and carries loose dust from the ground, reducing visibility and sometimes causing respiratory problems. Hurricanes, cyclones, or typhoons. These are intense tropical storms with very strong winds, and they're called different names based on where they occur in the world. Tornadoes, a violent and dangerous rotating column of air that touches both the ground and a cloud above. All these examples are forms of windstorms because the wind plays a significant or defining role in their characteristics. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some sentences. 1. The windstorm last night knocked over several trees in the park. 2. Make sure to secure all outdoor items. There's a windstorm warning for tonight. 3. During the windstorm, it's best to stay indoors to avoid flying debris. There you have it. Now you know what a windstorm is and how it can be used in English sentences. Remember, English is filled with phrases that, when broken down, can be easily understood. I hope this video was enlightening. Stay curious and keep learning.